Nandito kami ngayon guys sa Camping World. Wala lang, bored sa bahay, so tanaw-tanaw lang ni sa RV. Akyat tayo, tingnan natin kung ano nasa loob. Oh, parang bahay siya. Oh my gosh, look. Mayroon siyang sofa. Wow, para talagang bahay. Mayroong cabinet. Yan oh. Mayroong drawer. This is the like a small size ng RV. Yan oh. Mayroon pang cabinet dito. May sofa, and this is probably the bed right here. Yeah.
Fold out bed.
Fold out bed.
That probably folds out to a
Another
bed also.
cabinet in this side. Ang bintana na. Ang ganda, Angel. Buy one, Angel. Mayroong sofa. Yan, may salamin. Dito naman yung TV. Tsaka yung kusina. Ayan, oh, ang ganda. Ang dami ring ang ganda ng oh. Tabletop. Tsaka ito yung nila, sink. Parang bahay talaga. Angel, sell your house and live in an RV. Not much to clean.
Put all my stuff.
I don't know. May microwave. Ang ganda. Para to may lutuan. Angel, how does thing work? Like if you have something like this, how do you cook when you don't? Do you have your own electricity? Meron talaga siyang
It
lutuan.
does
Ang
hook
ganda
up
pa
to
ng lutuan.
electricity, but this is probably gas. Probably
Gas?
propane.
So you have to buy like a propane, like something like that. Where you put it?
Oh, I don't
Ang
know.
ganda pa ng lutuan.
Outside, probably.
Oh, you have to
outside.
connect it to something? This is just a chair. Sirain.
Destroyed it.
You just destroy the comfort. I think you should push your hat a little bit down more.
So
Way
I
too
can't
up.
see
Oh.
like that.
Para talaga siyang maliit na bahay, guys. I don't think we can pull the bed, but look at that. I can sleep in the sofa. And mayroon pa siyang cabinet. Oh, they really make maximize the space they have. They put cabinet under there. You probably be able to sleep in this. These are probably
It folds out.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Oh, tingnan natin yung banyo. Yan oh. Ito yung toilet. Tsaka yung maliit na sink. Ang dami pang cabinet. May pan doon sa taas. At saka ito yung shower area niya. Kasyang-kasya ako dito. Yung shower. And I feel like it's swinging. Heater valves. Dito malapit sa meron ding malaking, ba to? Ayan. Oh, it's the refrigerator. Oh, this is the refrigerator, guys. Kala ko cabinet. Refrigerator. Look. I think it's so windy. The other one doesn't open. This, I can't open it. Oh, ang ganda. Meron na sana akong pera. Kung hindi ako nag-aksaya ng pera ko when I was still working, I would be able to afford this. Ito ng RV na pinasok natin kanina. Ito yung labas niya. This is the Imagine by Grand Design. Yung asawa ko nawala na. Oh, ito yung kabuuan niya ang outside. Ang ganda. Maliit lang siya pero para talaga siya yung maliit na bahay sa likod.
Capacity it has.
Para talaga siyang bahay. Maliit na bahay. Kompleto siya. May refrigerator, may lutuan. They didn't say how much is it. But the thing in it, I don't like this kind of RV because you gotta hold it. So we're looking for something na yung meron na pwede drivable na siya, na hindi mo na kailangan siya i-hold, but I don't think they have one in here. So yan guys, yung unang RV na pinasok natin, maliit lang siya. Tingnan naman natin to guys, yung maliit. Ito yata yung pinakamaliit dito. My husband's inside already. Oops! Oh, there's a bed already, right away. And you can sleep in this big bed, and I can sleep in the over there in the top,
But now come the corners,
so that you have more space.
but your feet's gonna hang down.
Well, you can go the big, the shorter one goes here, the taller one goes.
Hey, what if there is no shorter one?
Well, it's still gonna be the same.
They don't have a stool. No, there's no stool.
These are different. This one had an aircon. The other one I didn't see the aircon.
I guess this is the stool.
Yeah, they have a tiny. What is that called? Is there something that they call this?
Yeah, hot plate.
Hot plate. Yan, kompleto din guys. Meron din siyang microwave, meron aircon. Yan, meron siyang bed. It's cute. Meron maliit na refrigerator. Shower is over here. Yan, meron bathroom, meron shower. They didn't put the price.
thing here? That heater?
The heater. It said this RV is winterized. Some
Yeah,
kind of
so
like a fireplace. Yeah, there's a fireplace. So
I don't know how that works.
that's the one that they
Looks
do
like
have
wasted
this day.
space over here.
They're probably gonna put. Oh, you can put your junk there, like you were saying. What is this? Is something probably you can, where you can eat.
Yeah, that must be it.
Yeah.
There's the stools that
Yeah,
you eat
just,
on.
yeah. The people who like to travel, they probably knows. They keep changing RV like that guy we talked one time.
And
It's
how much this
small
thing
and it's
costs.
cute. I know, they don't put the price. So that people will have idea at least. It's very cute. Kompleto talaga siya. Maliit na bahay. Brand called Coleman. Super liit niya. Super cute. Ito, pwede talaga siya. Very you can hold it. It's not very, you only need 2 parking space, I think. Huh? Not for this one because not much space.
Walkable roof, but there's no ladder on the back like
Oh, really? And they're probably not done. They're probably still working on it. My husband is really curious. He really wanted to buy one like this. But we didn't even go to Florida because he gave up driving. Back hurt, so I don't know why we're doing this. We don't travel no more. Wala lang, bored lang sa bahay. Ibang liit niya. Pero kumpleto siya sa gamit. May lutuan, may refrigerator. Ang ganda. Pasukin naman natin to. Ego by Jayco. Sobrang laki. Wow. Ang ganda na, no? Meron siyang, what do you call this, canopy? Like you can extend?
Yeah, I guess.
And you feel like if you wanna camp outside, they have a refrigerator. Something in here. And probably lutuan.
What's this for? Tailgating?
Like sobrang laki nito. Parang, huh?
Why is it on the outside?
Because if you like probably you have one in the inside too. Like people like sit down in here and have some drink. The people who like to do like a drink outside. Let's try pasukin natin tong malaking RV na to, guys. Wow! I'm blown. Oh my gosh. Maganda pa to sa bahay namin. Para ayan, may ano talaga, may table at saka may Look, may ano, wala pa siyang, siguro dyan nila ilalagay yung TV. May mga cabinet sa taas, and then may fireplace. And then sofa. Living room talaga siya, guys. Meron pa siyang, tingnan nyo, oh. Parang sa sinihan. Oh, wow, this is very nice. Look at that. Yan, may ano pa, may ceiling fan. Ang ganda. Look at in the center. They have the sink. Ang ganda. Angel, this is so nice. Yan, cabinet drawer. Din yung microwave nila na that's, parang ano siya. Ang ganda. Super high-tech. Yan, lutuan. This is probably the 2-door refrigerator. Yeah. We have 2-door refrigerators. Salamin. Yung cabinet. Yan, cabinet. Parang pwede man, alam mo, design it to really become like, if people doesn't wanna,
Sink's been used.
probably. This probably, people wanna just live in the RVs. So, ayan yung living room na super laki ng RV na to, guys. At saka kitchen. Punta naman tayo dito sa taas. May hagdanan pa. Ooh, the toilet. And the shower. And the ganda ng sink. May cabinet din siya dito. Ayan, salamin. This look like this RVs also had been used. The shower seems like had been used. And dito naman, mayroon siyang door. And super laki na bed. Wow. I'm sweating though. Not in here. Ang laki ng bed. Meron yung control yung ano. I think that. Ang ganda. I can live here. Yun, may TV dito. Sa harapan ng higaan, may TV. May laking cabinet. Na daming drawers. Cabinet din dito. Yan. Yung salamin, probably also a cabinet. Yeah. Can open it. Wow. Probably about $200,000. I think this would probably cost about $200,000 or more.
No.
It's pretty. What do you mean? About 300?
I'm thinking more like 100.
No, it's more than that. This is very, very like. Look, did you see the size of the bed in it?
Yes.
Huge. Wow. Pasukin naman natin si AD Bauer RV. Yung isa talaga curious sa kung ano yung nasa mga labas. Ito malaki din siya, pretty good size as well. It's good. It's a pre-mountain Dew over there. Akitin natin to. Oh, this one is pretty clean. So I'm pretty sure this one have not been used. You be careful. You need help?
Oh, the information's rubbed off in here.
Ah, look at this. This is really also very look nice and clean. Yan, mayroong sofa. Sofa when you get in. There's a Mountain Dew that is frozen. We need. This is probably, yeah, the TV is probably gonna be here. Huge TV. Yeah. Sofa. Then dito kayo kakain. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ito yung kitchen niya na lukang bago pero parang may nagluto na dito. Kitchen sink. It look like someone already used it. This is already very dirty also. Look. Someone must have rent this already. And ito yung they have microwave, tsaka yung mga cabinet niya. Tsaka ito yung lutuan, tsaka oven, and the refrigerator na hindi ko na siya bubuksan. And my husband that is very curious of RVs. Punta naman tayo dito sa other side ng. I don't see anywhere the driving area. Oh yeah, because this not part of it. You gotta pull it. So this door must, oh, look at all this control. This is probably the toilet. Malaki din yung toilet. Look at that. The shower is so dirty.
Is it?
Someone must have used it already.
Somebody used
Yung sink niya. Yung shower niya, guys. It looks pretty new, but it seems like someone already been used it. Ito naman tayo, may door. Tapos ito naman yung bed niya. Tapos ang whole family. 4 people can get in there. Magsiksikan. Laki ng bed. Kasya kami ni Angel. Dalawa lang kami. I better get a wet wipes because I've been touching everything now too. Pretty nice too. How much you think it is?
That didn't look good.
How much you think it is, sweetheart?
This
Looks
one?
good. 150?
50.
Hmm?
50, 75.
Really? I think you're wrong. I think ito, pasukin natin si Paris River Salem. Yan. Yung backside niya. So, dalawa ang pintuan nito. Dalawa ang pintuan. So, dito tayo papasok. I think this is the door for the bedroom. Ooh. Whoa. I don't know about that bed. It's not flat. Probably. What is wrong with all this RV? How come they're not clean? Look. The shower. Looks pretty new, but how come it's not clean? So, ito yung toilet niya. So, I guess, tsaka yung sink, toilet sink. And that's me right there. Entering this door, we get the living room and the kitchen. Actually, parang ginamit na talaga siya.
There you are.
Yeah, someone's cleaning here too. I think this had been used or something. Look at this. Ito naman, yan yung lutuan niya. Yung laki ng counter eh. The counter is big. Yung sink. Tsaka yung kung saan pwede nyo kayong kumain. I'm pretty sure you can push it in and out. And then, the sofa. Sobrang marami din siyang cabinet or drawers. I know, let's go home. And over here, I don't know what it is. It's like it's a sliding door, but there's another sofa here that it's probably someone probably can use it for sleeping as well. Because it look like the upper area you can
Yeah, probably
yeah.
won't.
Yeah, a bunk bed. Because you can actually, yeah, here it is, Angel. You go in here, there's steps. And for this part, you get the bunk bed, and on the other side, there is
Oh, they actually have
it's
steps.
a sofa.
Wow.
Yeah, look.
And this down here is what?
Probably when you want to eat, it's like a table. And like a table. Look how big that one is.
Yeah, that one's pretty big too, but it doesn't
No.
have the fold out
What are those things for? For the luggage?
storage. Yeah.
That one is pretty big. Look at the canopy. There's a huge canopy in there, and there's a bigger one a smaller one in the other side too.
Yeah.
Oh, this probably worth 500,000.
You have to have your commercial driver's license to pull this.
Yeah. It's huge. Ito na yung last na papasukin ko. May mga tao dito. This is bed. There, let's go to the bedside. Wow. I'm really amazed in this creation.
Nice stand.
Oh, the bedroom, they even have their own TV.
Makes them warm again.
Ito yung shower niya. It's like a master bedroom for real. You got toilet. And the sink is the 2 sink. And look at the shower. Ang daming cabinet din. Grabe, they really maximize the space. Sobrang daming drawers. Yan. Yan, yung bathroom lang yan, ha? Ito yung bedroom. Laki ng bed. At dito sa bedroom din yan. TV, meron ding super daming drawers. Wow. Super nice. There's cabinet everywhere. Oh, look, this probably where the control is. This cabinet, I thought they're all cabinet, but they're like something you... Be careful.
Oh, it's got washer dryer in it.
Oh, look, there's another toilet in here with the washing machine and dryer. Wow, and another sink. Yung bedroom, meron talaga, para siyang master bedroom. Meron talaga siyang its own bathroom. May malaking TV here. Ito yung living room niya, guys. Sobrang laking TV. Ayun, ang ganda pa ng ceiling fan, oh. And look at that light. And super. This one is probably my favorite. Yan, ang laki ng parang fireplace. Wow. And look at that. The counter. Here you can eat. This is very spacious. And look at that refrigerator. It's like a full, yung parang nasa bahay talaga. And it's more, yung lutuan. Ang laki ng microwave. Look at the sink. And there's another thing in here. There's 2 ovens. Fisher Pake. I don't know what is that. Must be 2 ovens. Could there's like an oven here? Like another oven there. Wow. It's super nice. It's very spacious. Sobrang laki. I bet this one is about maybe 500,000.
This even comes with its own laundry basket.
There's a washing machine and a dryer, and then the master bedroom had his own TV, own shower.
Fireplace.
Yeah, big fireplace. Even you will sell 2 houses, you can never afford this one. Very expensive, huge RV. I'm sweating, guys, so I'm done taking videos.